Everyone, this is Gary, and I just wanted to share a quick video just to show that if a complete idiot and noob like me can make money with KDP with some help from Matt along the way, then I'm pretty sure that anybody can. I've taken some screen grabs, so you can see here I started my KDP journey in about May. I put up a few books, had no idea what I was doing. I think I sold one. Which was a $2 profit, and that to me I thought was fantastic. Somebody actually pointed me in Matt's direction and said, have you heard about the Royalty Accelerator course? It's a free course. So obviously I was looking to kind of eat up as much information as I possibly can, and I did the free course 3 or 4 times, went through absolutely everything, learned a ton, started to implement that, and as you can see, my July royalties went up. I was running ads at this time, and that really was my main thing, was learning how to do Amazon ads, how to optimize them, how to get the most money from them. I was spending a couple of $100 on ads. I wasn't making any money, but I understood, you know, you've got to spend money to make money in the long run. And I was taking the Royalty Accelerator course, and then I saw the paid course that Matt offered as well. So I bought the paid course, and the paid course is really what I think jumped me forward. I started implementing the strategies that Matt was talking about through the advertising, through the keyword research, through the how to optimize your listings, so Amazon can actually see them and, you know, start to make you money. And as you can see, my royalty in August jumped from $10 up to $400, and this was just purely from implementing the strategies that I learned in the paid course. Then Matt offered a Skype calls where we would do a series of Skype calls over a number of weeks, and that allowed us just to ask more questions and get more of a personalized approach to it. So I could ask what I was doing wrong, I could show where my ads were up to, they could give me advice. And that what really was invaluable to me. So then I jumped to 773. Again, I was spending the same on ads. I was spending about $300 a month on ads, but my ACOS, my actual cost of sale, was actually coming down quite dramatically from 50% to round about 30%. And then we jump into August, and again, it went up again, and my ACOS was coming down. I was still spending the same amount of money, but my ACOS was coming down, so I was actually making more profit. And then as we got into Q4, I was still going back and forth with Matt and also Ben, and they were giving me tips and advice on how to, through the group, through the Royalty Accelerator group and through the Zoom call group. And my November earnings jumped to 2,100. And now in December, my earnings are over 3,500. I have spent probably $300 on ads already, but more importantly, my ACOS is down to under 20%. And I don't think I could have done that on my own. The Royalty Accelerator course, the free course, really pushed me forward, and the paid course gave me the confidence and the ability to kind of move forward. And then the Zoom calls really hit home everything that I needed to do to turn this from a, you know, maybe I can make some money from it, to a definite business that I know every month I can make money from. So I just wanted to give a shout out. If anyone is, you know, on the fence about joining the paid course, do it. You won't regret it, I don't think. Matt has been fantastic. Ben, who also has been fantastic as well. I don't think I could have done it without their tips, assistance, pushing me forward. So, you know, I just wanted to say thank you. And as I said at the very start, if I can do this, then really any idiot can do it.
They wanna count me out before